When it comes to school safety, effective communication isn't optional. It's essential. From weather emergencies to security incidents to sending report cards out or notifying parents of events, having a reliable alert system can protect lives and build trust. This video breaks down the top 5 school emergency alert systems for 2025. After reviewing dozens of platforms and collecting feedback from school districts nationwide, here's how the leading options stack up. Each platform was ranked using 6 key criteria: reliability during critical situations, speed of delivery across all channels, ease of use for non-technical staff, multi-channel messaging, voice and text, transparent pricing without hidden fees, and system integration with major student information systems. The goal helps schools choose a system that's built for real school communication for teachers and parents and staff. In 5th place is Remind, best known for teacher-parent messaging. It performs well for class announcements and basic communication, but when timing and reliability matter most, Remind struggles. There are limits on message scale, customization, and true emergency functionality. The system also requires annual contracts, which may not be ideal for districts seeking more flexible, event-based usage. Good for routine messaging, less so for urgent communication. Coming in at number 4 is Blackboard. It's an all-in-one platform for learning and communication, especially suited for districts already using its LMS. While robust, Blackboard can be complex to use and requires more training for emergency scenarios. It's also one of the most expensive solutions on this list due to its bundled pricing and feature sets. A powerful tool, but better suited to districts with large tech teams and existing Blackboard infrastructure. 3rd place goes to Parent Square, a platform with strong engagement tools for school home communication. It shines in multilingual messaging and everyday outreach. But in emergencies, users report delays under high volume and limited control over alerts. Parent Square offers straightforward pricing by student enrollment but may become costly for larger districts. Reliable for regular use, less tailored for urgent, time-sensitive events. Runner-up, School Messenger. This platform is highly capable, with excellent delivery performance and compliance features. It includes real-time analytics, robust group management, and integrations with major SIS platforms. But the user interface is complex, and some features are hidden behind tiered pricing, which may frustrate smaller districts. A comprehensive solution, but not the most user-friendly or cost-effective. Taking the top spot in 2025 is Robotalker, a platform designed for school emergency alerts and everyday messaging for teachers and staff to students and parents alike. Robotalker stands out with alerts sent in under 30 seconds, dynamic text-to-speech personalization, two-way communication with response tracking, 32-language support, and ability to send a single message to a contact. The platform is built for simplicity. Launching a school-wide alert takes just 3 clicks, even during a crisis. Robotalker also offers unbeatable pricing, either monthly or pay-as-you-go units available starting at $9 for 100 message units or monthly plans starting at $30. With no contracts or hidden fees, saving districts up to 40% compared to other systems. And here's the offer. Try the system with 100 messages for just $9. If it's not the right fit, you'll get a full refund within 30 days, no questions asked. It's a low-risk way to experience one of the fastest, most affordable alert systems available. One district that made the switch is Westlake School District after their previous system failed during a weather closure. With Robotalker, they reached 99.7% of parents in under 5 minutes and saw 94% message confirmation rates. During our last snow day, every family got the alert instantly. Our office staff now sends alerts without IT help. It's changed the way we handle emergencies and last-minute changes to our schedule. To recap, Robotalker leads the industry with unmatched speed, powerful emergency tools, multilingual support, and simple, affordable pricing. Start today with $9 for 100 messages. If you're not satisfied, get a full refund within 30 days. No risk, no commitment. Visit robotalker.com to see why more schools are choosing safer, smarter communication. EduTech reports, helping schools stay connected and protected.